We're going to do this Frohawk right down the middle. The first one we are using is going to be the mini, not the micro. I'd say just experiment with all of them, and depending on the thickness of it, of your locks, it's several different variables. It's going to tell you what style is going to be best for you. No pain. Then we're going to do the next one. I'm going to try and do 4 of them. So we've got the second knot up. So since we've got less locks in the back, we're moving down to the micro. And even though it's getting smaller, it still does not put any more tension on the hair. Because the way the PuffCuff is made, it's really just grasping your hair and holding it in place rather than binding the hair together. Okay, now we've got it. Would you like to see more styling tutorials using the PuffCuff? Then please subscribe to our YouTube channel.